In order to perform searches properly while using Image Hunter, we highly recommend that you take advantage of the different filters that you can apply to your search. But first, we must perform a search. To do that, there are several different ways. You can type a location directly into the toolbar, which will take you to that location and draw a polygon around it for you. Also, you can draw a polygon yourself using our polygon selection tool. You can draw it with our rectangular selection, or you can draw a polygon yourself with as many points as you want. Also, you can enter coordinates directly in the form of center coordinates, corner coordinates, or a list of vertices. And also, if you have the catalog IDs of certain images, you can enter those directly as well. Once you've performed your search, you can go ahead and head over to the left side of the screen or click on the menu icon to bring the left side of the screen out, where you can view whatever imagery is available for that area. And then you can go ahead and click on the drop down for filters. From here you can choose to set a date range versus a seasonal range. You can change your date range. You can adjust cloud cover, off nadir, resolution, choose DEMs only, select specific data sets, as well as choose to remember these settings or reset them. Now to explain what these different things mean. Cloud cover means the percentage of clouds that are covering the image that you choose. What this means is that you have cloud cover set at 50% max, that any of the imagery that you choose, or any of the imagery that are part of this list, will be less than 50% cloud cover. However, that doesn't mean that the part of the polygon that's in the image will be less than 50% cloud cover. In other words, say the image you choose has 10% cloud cover, like this one. The only issue is that 10% of cloud cover could happen to be all inside of your polygon, making the actual selection for your image almost 100% cloud covered. Moving on to off nadir. Off nadir is the degree from the satellite or sensor to the part of the ground that you're imaging. So in other words, the higher the off nadir value means the higher the angle from the satellite to whatever section of the ground that you're imaging. And the higher the angle is, the more distortion. So we recommend a maximum of 30 degrees as an off nadir value. And then you can also adjust your range of your resolution and choose whatever data sets, which I showed you what that looked like before. We highly recommend doing this because it greatly limits your search options and will allow you to quicker find imagery. Also, if you don't see a value for off nadir, there's no reason to freak out. That means it could either be a DEM or a mono or stereo type imagery. And that's it. Thanks for listening.